Have you seen those viral prompts online where people claim ChatGPT can generate ready-to-print passport photos automatically? Well, today on Zimist Coded, we're going to test one of those prompts ourselves, directly inside ChatGPT. The prompt claims ChatGPT can take an uploaded picture, preserve the person's real identity, improve the background and lighting, and then create a professional passport-style photo sheet. Not just one passport photo, but a complete printable 3x3 layout containing 9 identical passport photos, already arranged and ready for printing. Now, honestly, that sounds almost too good to be true. So in this video, I'm going to copy the exact prompt, upload an image into ChatGPT, and see what actually happens. We'll test whether the face stays accurate, if the passport framing looks correct, if the layout is truly print-ready, and whether the result looks realistic enough for actual use. Because sometimes, viral AI prompts look amazing in screenshots online, but behave very differently when you try them yourself. So let's test it live. Here is the exact prompt we'll be using. The prompt instructs ChatGPT to preserve the person's real face, skin tone, hairstyle, and identity, while transforming the image into a clean, professional passport-style portrait. It also tells ChatGPT to use a plain background, apply studio-style lighting, keep the face centered properly, and arrange everything into a neat 3x3 printable sheet. I'll upload the image, and let me also click on Create an Image, so ChatGPT understands that we want image generation. Now let's paste the prompt into ChatGPT. I'll also leave the full prompt in the video description. Let's submit it and start the generation. All right, ChatGPT has finished generating the images. In our case, it gave us 2 different results to choose from. And as you can see, the first result has much better color grading than the second one. The second result looks a bit more raw and unprocessed. So let's go with the first option. At first glance, this actually looks pretty impressive. The photos appear evenly arranged, the background looks clean, and the lighting seems much more professional than the original image. But now, let's inspect it more carefully. Did ChatGPT preserve the person's identity correctly? Does the face still look natural? Are the passport dimensions realistic? And would this actually be acceptable for official passport requirements? Discuss observations while zooming in. This part is very important because even if an AI-generated image looks professional, official passport systems may still reject it depending on the country's requirements. So while ChatGPT can definitely help create passport-style images, you should still confirm whether the generated result meets official standards before using it for any real application. Overall, I think this is a very interesting AI use case. It shows just how powerful image generation inside ChatGPT is becoming. But the big question is, would you trust AI to create your passport photo? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more AI tests, ChatGPT tricks, tech tutorials, and smart discoveries, make sure you subscribe to Zimist Coded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.